See y'all later.
You ready?
Yeah. There's Mr. Man's birthday cake.
Birthday cake. What's he gonna do with it? What is Mr. Man gonna do?
Kobe's jealous.
Yummy.
Just a little taste of frosting.
Mmm, yummy, yummy. Dig in, baby boy.
This is priceless, Kobe.